Hi friend, this is I Old Monk, and today I am with the one of the most asked question to me: what is the most affordable smartphone and which brand? So here we are having the four brands with us. They are like Carbon, Xiaomi, there is You, and there is Micromax in our house. So right now I am going to go through each and everything. The first device we are having is Carbon Mark 5. As you can see, the display and the build quality of the device is very good. I will just run through the design first and go through the hardware specs later of each one differently. As you can see here, it is the power button. This is the volume rocker key. On the top it comes with the IR blaster. This is the 3.5mm jack. In the back you are getting a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, and also in the front you are getting a 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, which is very good. And it has the capacitive touch buttons and the speakers at the bottom panel. So right now I'm closing with this one. The second phone what we are coming is Xiaomi Redmi 2 Prime. So Redmi 2 Prime, what it offers, I will show you. As far as the design is concerned, the build quality is very good. There's no doubt that this is the one of the good smartphone. And these are the power key. This is the volume rocker key. On the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack. On the back you are getting a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. Here are the speakers of the smartphone. This is the noise cancellation mic, and this is the Mi logo. Other than this, in the bottom you are getting a micro USB cable, noise cancellation mic, and in the front you are getting a 2 megapixel camera. Now we are going to U Unique, which is launched very recently, and the smartphone comes pretty much with the matte finish at the back. So let me go through the device, and as far as it concerns, you can see it has a very unique kind of design, as these are the volume rocker keys and this is the power key in the middle. In the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack, and in here you are getting an 8 megapixel camera with 2 megapixel camera in the front. And other than this, the device looks good. It comes with the matte finish, and U branding is here, and the speakers are at the bottom panel. In the lowermost panel you are getting a micro USB charging cable. In the top you are getting a 3.5mm jack. So this is U Unique. And now I am coming to the last, that is Micromax Canvas Express 2. So the device comes, it looks good, and it is the octa-core in this segment. None of these are the octa-cores. So let me go through the design, then I will come back to the hardware. This is the power key, this is the volume rocker key. On the top we are getting a 3.5mm jack, and this is the noise cancellation mic. In the back we are getting a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash. In the front we are getting a 2 megapixel camera, and other than this there is a Micromax logo. You are getting a dual tone LED flash. And as far as the speakers are concerned, speakers at the bottom panel. This is the micro USB charging slot. And the other than this, this is all about Micromax Canvas Express 2. So now I will go through the hardware of each and every device, so that you don't get confused, and you will find which one is better for you and which one to pick. So let me go through first with the Carbon Mark 5. The Carbon Mark 5 comes with a 5-inch HD display with capacitive touch. So this is Carbon Mark 5, whereas the Redmi 2 Prime comes with a 4.7-inch HD IPS display. The U Unique comes with a 4.7-inch HD IPS display, whereas this one comes with the 5-inch HD IPS display. Both of this one comes with the Gorilla Glass protection in them. There is no Gorilla Glass protection in these two smartphones. As far as the processor is concerned, this one comes with a 1.3 GHz quad core processor. This one comes with a 1.2 GHz quad core processor. The same processor is used in this 1.2 GHz quad core, but As far as this is concerned, this comes with the 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. This comes with a 2 GB of RAM. This comes with a 2 GB of RAM. This comes with 1 GB of RAM, and this comes with a 1 GB of RAM. As far as the internal storage, both of these smartphone coming with the 16 GB of storage. Both of this smartphone comes with the 8 GB of storage, and all the smartphone supports up to 32 GB expandable memory, which is very good. And as far as the software is concerned, the Carbon Mark 5 is loaded with Android 5.0 Lollipop, whereas the Redmi 2 Prime comes with the 4.4 KitKat, whereas the U Unique comes with the 5.1 Lollipop, and the Canvas Express comes with the 4.4 KitKat. So I will show you once all the Android versions what they are running with. Currently the Canvas Express 2 comes with Android KitKat, but the company has already promised that they will roll out the Android 5.0 Lollipop very soon. So as far as the Mark 5 is concerned, you can see that it is running on Android 5.0 Lollipop. As far as this is concerned, you can see it is running on Android 4.4 KitKat. Here the U Unique comes with 5.1.1 Lollipop, and our Express comes with Micromax comes with the 4.4.2 KitKat. So these are the Android versions running on the smartphone. Other than this, we are coming to the camera. So Mark 5 stands out a little bit for the camera, as it comes with the front LED flash, which is not present in other three smartphones what we have right now, and it takes really good picture for the selfie, whereas these smartphones all carry with the different cameras. This is a 8 megapixel camera at the rear end, this is also 8 megapixel at the rear end, this is also 8 megapixel at the rear end, whereas the Canvas Express comes with the 13 megapixel camera at the rear end, which is very good for shooting pictures. But I will show you the camera samples very soon. And as far as the front camera is concerned, this comes with the 5 megapixel camera, this comes with the 2 megapixel camera, this comes with the 2 megapixel camera, this comes with the 2 megapixel camera. So now I will show the camera sample, the picture I have taken. This is the Mark 5 result. As you can see, the picture quality is crisp, and it actually impressed me with the camera quality. It did a great job. Now I am coming back to the Redmi Note 2 Prime. So the 8 megapixel camera will definitely not disappoint in this smartphone. And now we will go to the U Unique, where we will check the 8 megapixel camera of this smartphone. It also performs somehow well. There is a little bit distortion and the blurry effect, but still it is manageable. And now I'm going to Canvas Express, which is unfortunately little blurrish, and the pixel quality is been faded out, so I didn't get impressed with the device regarding the camera. Much more impressed with Redmi. It performed well. It is not like the other devices. Now I will go to the Antutu and the quadrant score of both the smartphone, so that to show you. I guess you guys can see the pictures very clearly here. The Canvas Express 2 stands out very far ahead for the Antutu score, whereas after that the Redmi 2 Prime comes, and very lastly the U Unique comes for the score of Antutu. And now we are going back for the quadrant score, and as far as the quadrant score, So as you can see the quadrant score also here, definitely U is winning and it is coming for 13,3882, whereas the Redmi 2 Prime comes with the 11,707, whereas the Canvas 2 is fading away. Canvas Express 2 comes with the 11,216 and Mark 5 comes with the 9761. So these are the scores of all the devices. Now I'm going back and let me go through the battery of all the devices. This comes with the 2200 milliampere battery. This one also comes with the 22 milliampere battery. This comes with the 2000 milliampere battery. So Unique you are getting a little less battery, whereas the Canvas Express 2 comes with a 2500 milliampere battery, which is very good. Other than this, this comes with the 3G connectivity. This both comes with the 4G connectivity, and this one comes with the 3G connectivity. So I guess there is a little bit connecting issue in the Canvas Express. You will not get the 4G, and the Mark 5 is not 4G. All the 4 smartphones supports dual SIM, and the availability of the smartphone, the price, I am coming to that. So the Mark 5 comes with the 5999 price tag, whereas the Redmi 2 Prime comes with the 6999 price tag, and whereas the Unique comes with the 4999 price tag, which is very less in all the competitors among, and it comes with the 5999 price tag, and the costliest one is Redmi 2 Prime. It is one of the costliest in the whole range. And other than this, where you will get this device? This device, the Mark 5 is available only on Amazon, whereas the Redmi 2 Prime is available on Snapdeal, Flipkart, Me.com. You can find them there. Whereas Unique going on sale only on Snapdeal, whereas Canvas Express 2 is available only on Flipkart. So this is the major difference of all the 4 smartphone, whereas what we call Carbon Mark 5, Redmi 2 4 Prime, and Unique and Canvas Express 2. This is @Ayul Monk signing off. Please like our video, share our video, and subscribe to our channel.